The United Nations says the security situation in Aleppo has become too dangerous. The city is under almost constant attack by government artillery and aircraft. Ben Wedeman has just left Aleppo, where he says there's a humanitarian disaster in the making.
For a lot of the day, we watched the Syrian Air Force jets were bombing civilian areas that are held by the Free Syrian Army. These are civilian areas that are still heavily populated by people who have nowhere to go. They can't get out. We were at a field hospital, in fact, where they were receiving wounded from those air raids. And we had spoken to the doctor just briefly before the wounded showed up. And he said not only does he lack medicine, he lacks medical equipment, but he also lacks the staff he needs to help him treat the wounded, because they cannot get into the rebel-held parts of the city. And in fact, as we waited outside the hospital and he was operating on the wounded, he rushed out, his hands full of blood from the operating table, with a cell phone in his hand, pleading with doctors and nurses to come and help him deal with the bloodshed.